Alrighty, so we're back for another video. In this video, this is an entry video, or actually kinda, but I'm actually gonna do a build with one of the members in the community, and one of those members is Bryan over at BG Model Workshop. We are actually going to do a buddy build with this kit for a couple reasons. Both of us just had this kit laying in the stash for a number of months, how many years, or I had mine for months, and I've been wanting to build it, and I reached out to Bryan, said, because he had no idea what to do with it. He wanted to build it, but he needed an excuse to build it. So I'm like, okay, here's an excuse for you to build it. So I reached out to him and I asked him if he wanted to do a buddy build together with it. He said that is a wonderful idea. So we figured out what month and the date and stuff. So we figured to do August for the month, because it's kind of open for both of us and it's just perfect. And yeah, so we figured to start August 1st to September 10th, where my birthday is. So that's pretty awesome. So that should be pretty good enough time to do this build. But I won't start until Monday, because there's another build I want to get into, get that out of the way. But that's only for the last couple of days, so that's not a big deal. So that's that. And plus, this is a real journey kit we're going to do, and the molds on this I heard are very, very good. So that's perfect. And I had never built a real journey kit before, so that's going to be a new experience for me. So the color I chose for this kit is, I'm going to use my splash paints on this. It's a two-part stage. It is Green Hill Mango. So that's a pretty cool name. And I seen this car in real life, this color green, and it is beautiful. So it's a two-part stage, like I said, paint, style paint. In the first stage and second stage, I had never done the two-stage paint thing before. So first stage, I'm guessing this looks like the actual color right here. So that looks pretty cool. And this one must be like the pearl kinda, makes it pop, I guess. I don't know. So that's gonna be cool, and I'm gonna have fun priming this body, because this body is molded in a very bright yellow. It'd be, but that's okay. So I'm probably have to do like 5, 6, maybe 10 coats of primer, because I don't want the yellow bleed through the green. That's the last thing I want. And a little add-on addition I'm going to do to this kit is I found some Scale Motorsports carbon fiber decals. I have the black one, so that's pretty cool. On the eBay seller sells these, and they're pretty good. It's a good decal. So I know this kit comes with the roof decal, but I might want to use these decals all over a car. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to use a template from the decal sheet from this kit and cut out this one. And after seeing the real deal car in real life in the New York City Auto Show, I numbered this carbon fiber bits and pieces in the interior. So I'm gonna do some carbon fiber decals in there, and I may or may not use the carbon fiber decals on the engine cover, because many of you know, like many, if you own a newer car these days, they're, it's a plastic cover. So, and this does come with full detailed engine, don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool, but the cover, you're not going to see much of it, because like I said, you have the plastic cover covering all. So I may or may not cover some of it. I'm not going to do all of it, but I may do part of the engine cover with some carbon fiber decals. But that's what's going on this month, and this should be a lot of fun. So go check out Bryan over at BG Model Workshop. Link right there, link down below, and I'll put his subscribe button at the end if you are not subscribed to him. If you are not, please do so, because he is an awesome guy. But other than that, guys, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.